Hello, fellow watch enthusiasts. I am Mike Watch. Welcome to my video. In this episode, I'm bringing you the newly released 42mm White Gold Yacht-Master from the VSF factory. This is the weight-added version, the latest V3 weight-added version. Alright, let's first take a look at its dimensions. The case diameter is 42mm. Thickness, let's check the case thickness. It is 12.1mm. Alright, here comes the highlight. Let's check its weight, 150 grams. At the very least, these parameters should be closely aligned with my measurements. For this watch to be a genuine VSF factory product, if the parameters deviate too much, you all should be cautious. It features a bi-directional rotating bezel. This bezel insert is made of matte ceramic. As for the Oysterflex rubber strap, look here, it doesn't leave fingerprints. The material is of excellent quality and it offers superior wearing comfort. Let's take another look at the clasp, specifically the craftsmanship and details. The chamfering and brushed finishes are both exceptionally well done. We have the Rolex Coronet logo, along with these St. Bernard doghead hallmarks, the 750 gold hallmark, and the clasp code is W5T. Besides the doghead hallmark here, there are others. On the case back, there's a Rolex engraving here, a doghead hallmark here. A 750 hallmark here, and another doghead hallmark on this lug. All of these engravings are present. Furthermore, this clasp features a micro adjustment function. Let's take a look, release it, and then slide. This rubber strap utilizes a glide lock sliding adjustment system. Do you see that? It can be adjusted by sliding. It provides an adjustment range of approximately 2 centimeters. The clicking sound is also very crisp. Let's listen to it again. Looking at the dial, all the rounded edges and chamfers on the hour markers are well executed. The date font is also perfectly centered within the Cyclops lens. The lume. Let's check the luminescent effect. It glows with an ice blue chromolite color, which is 1-to-1 accurate to the genuine model. In this episode, we've briefly introduced the specific parameters and some numerical values. In the next episode, we will explore how its added weight manages to be so close to the genuine piece. Alright. Alright, that concludes this video. We'll see you in the next episode. Thank you all for watching.